Alright, y'all, today we're doing an unboxing of the Emerson Smart Set Weather Alert Radio. This came out like 2 years ago, I think. Maybe one, I don't know. So, but yeah, it was fine. I finally have one of these now, so let's go ahead and unbox it. So, yeah, here's the instruction manual. WBS 12, I think that's what it's called. Okay, it has English and Spanish on here. Oh, the power cord's already in. The power battery's already in here. Just away. And here's the radio. So yeah, that's it. Now put the box away. Okay, let's go ahead and rip the screen protector. Yeah, it's a pretty small radio, but like every single one of my radios that I have is small. So does this take batteries or? Oh, it does. Okay. Oh, that's the antenna. Okay. So yeah, the antenna goes pretty high. I don't even know where you store it. But anyways. Alright, so now I got the radio in its position. Now we're going to go ahead and power it on. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, let's see, automatically setting the time, looks like, if it can. Oh, that is pretty cool. Just got the time wrong. Oh, and then it's got a dimmer too.
At Lakeville, 30 at Eden Prairie,
So there's the weather.
At Crystal, and 30 at Blaine. It was cloudy with a temperature of 29.
Then it's also got FM too. I don't know if it has presets or not, but I'll set this to 94.5. How's it getting 91.8? Alright, it's on KF95. The screen can't go down, by the way.
With a temperature of 16.
Then it also has the temperature, but that's the room temperature. Unfortunately, it's not the outdoor temperature.
It was cloudy with a temperature of 26 at Eau Claire, 29 at Osceola, 27 at Rice Lake, and 29.
Okay. I don't know what D3 means. If y'all know this radio, make sure let me know more about it that I haven't covered. But yeah, that was the unboxing and setup of the Emerson Smart Set. Thanks everybody for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.